Hello YouTubers, Mercy Watts once again here. I want to show you guys that I installed the RGB fan. See, it's different from the other one. So yeah, this one's white, you can see. The RGB is not hooked up because the motherboard doesn't support the 12-volt 4-pin RGB. This motherboard only supports 5-volt 3 pins addressable. So yeah, this is the fan right here. So I'm thinking of putting a Core i9, maybe a Core i7 10th gen, and also the motherboard will be that as well. I hope that you guys really like the upgrade that I'm gonna do on this Lian is it? There it is, PC-TU100. So once the RGB fan is connected to the new motherboard, I'm actually gonna change it, not because of the RGB, that's just gonna be a bonus, but because it's an old motherboard that needs to come out, and I'm gonna use it for something else, something different, something that is gonna be much cheaper for somebody who can afford something that higher end. It's not gonna be higher end, because really, to go higher end, you gotta go 12 gen right now, 1700 pins. So there's the fan. As you can see, the grommets, I put them in the hole and I just brought them down. That's how it's locking itself in there. See, it's well positioned in there. It has the grill there so that the wires or whatnot don't bang on the spinning fan. And that's what we're talking about here. What I did, I put this little antennas here, these little nubbies. These little nubbies belong to the NUC 8th generation NUC on the Akasa ambient cool solid case. Yeah, these little holes, like I told you back in the days, belong to the bracket. But once I take this off and it doesn't have any component, I'm gonna drill those pattern holes. Maybe I'll do something like that underneath. Maybe put like a filter or some sort, I'll put like a magnetic thing there, and I can just magnetically put the filter in there and then remove it whenever I want and clean it. to minimize any dust, debris entering the system. Oh, there goes that handle again. I hate that handle. Also, I am doing this because I'm taking off the RAM. This is a DDR3 RAM. I'm taking it out of here and I'm gonna put DDR4. Probably 32 gigs of RAM. DDR4, maybe either 3200 megahertz or 36, depending on the board. And it will have the RGB 4 pin and the RGB 3 pin address as well. So yeah, 5 volts, 12 volts. Because the fan is 12 and the strips are 5. So yeah. And this MSI Arrows, Iris, whatever it's called, Arrows. I don't know if it's 6. I think it's 6 gigs of video. But like I said, this is not, believe it or not, even though it has this card in here, it's not a gaming PC. This thing is more of a music, certain graphics, ripping movies onto. That guy is gonna house the operating system, and the one on the other side I'm going to this guy's gonna wipe it out, and I'm gonna use it as a removable media like I told you guys before on the other videos. So yeah, you can tell this motherboard's really old right there. Look at it. It's one of those older Rockstrix B360-I gaming. I like the fact that it has his screws over here and I can take them off, because he has this big opening here. So yeah, I have extra mullets. I didn't want to have those. That's why I opted for the other wire. But for some reason the wire was a male instead of female. See, these are females, and the other one was a male, and so I had 2 males or something like that, which I don't understand. I thought the dish guys were the male because they go inside of the other one, so I don't know. And also it is employing the dust. You see the dust filter right there in front of the fan. You can tell she used some sort of compressor, and believe it or not, this thing works really well. This Blu-ray, DVD. Amazon wire burned it, so I put a new one here. I had a spare one, but I'm trying to get them to see if they can give me at least $30-50 towards the ruined one, because the wire really did burn it somehow here. It's horrible. It was a defective wire. I'm recording not on the highest setting, but this is like 60 frames per second or something like that, and it's recording on 4K. ultra high definition. So I'm hoping this will give you guys a little better you know, video experience. I'm trying not to move so much so that you guys can have less pukey sensation, you know. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. The videos will get better, my people. That's all I can tell you. So, yeah. I like the USB 3.0 that it has here. And the big. This is a dual LED. It lights up certain and then it starts blinking. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this little video. It's not so little. Anything above 5 minutes is really not that little. The SF600 still being employed here. I'm gonna leave it there. And the little nubbies that I may put a FM TV tuner on this. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I like that the chip has a dedicated, what is it, integrated video card, not a dedicated one. The dedicated would be this right here. But the has a built-in video card or whatever video chip in there, also known as APUs or something like that. Okay. Mercy Watt wishing you guys the best. Happy building. Told you guys I was gonna make a little video or a video when the fan was gonna be installed, and that way you guys know what it's gonna look like. Okay. Peace out. Unity. Take care of each other. Stay safe. You know, vaccinate. I'm gonna be doing that. I didn't want to do it because of the fear of needles that I have, but I'm gonna have to. My sister got COVID, and I don't want to get that and then ended up in the hospital with all those tubes, and it's just an extra precaution, you know. Doesn't hurt. All right. See you guys later. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Enjoy your building. Happy building. Take care. Bye-bye. Mercy Watt out.